Yo, it's Chill Boy with another video. If you want to squat deeper, whether it's to help you in your sport, then doing the sumo squat will benefit you. I'm going to show you how to do the sumo squat correctly to help you squat deeper. For this exercise, you're going to only need one dumbbell. And if you know how sumo wrestling works, when they wrestle, they're kind of in this position with their legs spread wide apart. That's what we're going to do basically for the sumo squat. You're going to grab your weight. If it's a dumbbell, you're going to put your fingers like this to help you grip it better, or you can just do this. But if you need help to grip it, put the bar between your fingers. Then you're going to grab the weight, widen your legs past your shoulders, and then you're just going to squat until the dumbbell hits the ground. You'll feel this exercise in your pelvic floor, which is near the groin area, and it's right about here. And when you strengthen that muscle, that will allow you to squat deeper and help you get lower if you're doing something like wrestling, because you don't want to be just standing up straight. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more fitness content just like this, start out by subscribing and clicking the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. We're on the road to 10K, and this is what YouTube thinks you're gonna like next. Peace.